What's good, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm getting a new office. Yeah, I'm getting a new office, and that's crazy because I'm scaling my companies to the moon. If you don't already know who I am, my name is Jacob Blank. I started in my entrepreneurial journey at the age of 16, and in just 2 years, by the age of 18, I made over $1 million and became a millionaire. And now I'm almost 23 years old, and I'm scaling my companies to the moon, and I'm getting a new office. This is my office building. So I'm gonna have 2 offices in this building. Now, 2 offices. Let's first go look at my current office. So, got a little waiting area, reception. We got a bullpen area with sales guys. We got Alex, Cole, Louie. We got my disposition manager in here making calls.
All right, yeah, well, just keep us updated.
So, executive suite. We got my office right here. I just got this crazy curved monitor. It's massive. It's crazy. But yeah, this is my office. I got views of McDowell Mountain. Love the views. Got the bullpen area. We got a full gym in here. Dumbbells, bench press, cable machine, lat pull down. Back here, I got another executive office. And then I got, what's up, Colton?
Jacob?
What's up, man? How you doing?
Guys? Good.
All right, so this is my studio. You guys probably saw I filmed a lot of my videos right here before. Kind of became a storage room and a studio. Colton's been making calls all day. Good job, Colton. But yeah, that's another whole room I have. But now let's head over to the new office, and I'll show you guys what we got going on with that. So this is my current office. I've been here for a little over 4 years now. So before I moved in this office, I was doing about $500,000 per year. Once I moved in this office, I have never done less than $1 million a year in revenue, never less than 7 figures a year. So this office really changed the game for me. Before this office, maybe you could pop a clip up, I was in a little 400 square foot office. That office is 2,000 square feet. I'm getting another 1,800 square feet right here. And so I'll have about 4,000 square feet of office now. But when I first started, I was in a little 400 to 600 square foot office. Had a couple sales guys, but once I moved here, I was really able to scale my companies. So this is the new office. They're gonna be doing carpet, paint, but we can see right here, I have a conference room. So in my current office, I used the conference room, that glass room, as a bullpen area for my sales guys just because I needed more space. But having a conference table is key, so that way everybody can collaborate, we can have meetings, and so I'm excited for that. Put a conference table in there. We got one executive office right here. As you can see, this office is pretty cool. We're right on the Scottsdale Airport, so the runway's right there for the Scottsdale Private Airport, and there's a hangar right here that has a bunch of Porsches in it, a bunch of nice cars, and 3 jets. And there you can see a jet just landed right there. So the views of this office will be super sweet. Because right now I got the mountain views of McDowell Mountain. We're now going to have the jet views. So got another executive office right there, another kitchen room. And then we got a big bullpen area, and then there's one more executive office behind that wall right there. But you can see the ceilings are falling down right now and all that, but they're gonna be redoing this whole space. So my office over there that I just showed you that I've been in for 4 years, that's mainly gonna be for my wholesaling real estate business. This office here is gonna be where I scale my other companies. So I own a call center called launchva.com, and that call center works with dataskip.io, a data company. Hey, I want to give you $400 of free skip tracing credits with your purchase. My name is Jacob Blank. I've closed over 500 wholesale deals, and I've tried every skip tracing service out there for my data, and by far the best one is dataskip.io. All you got to do is fill out the quick form down below, make a small purchase of 20 records, whatever it is, and we're going to drop $400 of free skip tracing credits into your account. So make sure you check it out, try it out, test out the data, and then you'll see why it's the only data provider, only skip tracing service that I trust. So we're going to be scaling out my call center here for operations purposes. Obviously, all the cold callers for that company are overseas. They're in Mexico and Egypt. But for the operations side of the business, it's US based, and that's where I'm going to be growing that company right here for the data and for the telemarketing. So that being said, guys, if you're looking to hire cold callers for your wholesaling real estate business, launchva.com, this is going to be LaunchVA's office space, so check out launchva.com if you're looking to hire cold callers. But I'm excited, man. I'm excited. I needed 2 different spaces for my different companies combining them together was a little bit tough with the different phone calls we're making. You don't want sellers hearing about marketing. You know, motivated sellers were trying to buy their house and then they're hearing about marketing. So I had to split up the two companies, and that's what we're gonna be doing. So looking forward to growing out my other businesses right here. Hey, my name is Jacob Blank, and I've closed over 500 wholesale deals. And the reason I've been able to do that is because I've been using highly trained cold callers to get all of my wholesale deals. So if you're not using trained virtual cold callers, you're leaving money on the table. Well, if you're ready to take your business to the next level, you need to sign up for Launch VA Cold Callers. All you have to do is go to launchva.com. There will be a link right here that you can click and you can sign up for cold callers. These cold callers are extremely talented. This is a hands-off marketing solution where we handle everything for you. We handle the data, the dialer, the training, the hiring. We handle everything with the cold calling marketing, so that way you can focus on what you do best, which is talk to the leads and convert them and close deals. So if you're ready to hire cold callers for your business, check out launchva.com. I could probably pack in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 more people in this office. I can fit about 15 people in my current office, so that'll be like 25 people that I can have work for my companies. So this is the new office. We're scaling the businesses, and I'm excited for it. So if you guys have been watching my journey the whole time, from that 400 square foot office all the way up to now, I'm having 4,000 square feet of office space, and I'm crushing it, man. So if you want to learn how to do the exact same thing in your life and in your business, and you're excited about wholesaling real estate and you want to learn, well, I want to coach you. I'm going to spend 1 hour of my time with you this week. There's a link down below in the description for you to sign up for a free 1 hour live training with me. Click the link down below in the description, sign up for the free live training for 1 hour. I'm going to show you exactly step by step how to get your first deal, and then all the way how to scale up to a full-blown company like mine, where you're going to be able to make $100,000 per month. Now, make sure you sign up for this live training. Don't wait on it. Spots will fill up, and I want you to have the same success in your life and in business that I've been able to do. Wholesaling real estate has completely changed my life. Everything in my life has completely changed. I've been able to, I literally was like a high school dropout. I dropped out sophomore year of high school, and I was doing online school, and it looked like my life was going to be a mess, but it turned out my life turned into a masterpiece. Your mess is your masterpiece, and that's exactly what I've been able to do. Been able to buy my dream cars. I live in a $1.6 million condo penthouse at the Optima across the street. Been able to buy my mom. I just paid off my mom's car. Been able to buy her designer bags, everything, because she supported me. So if you want to be able to help out your family, you want to be able to buy your dream cars, you want to be able to live where you want, do what you want, and change your life, then wholesaling real estate is the key to that. And that's exactly what it was for me. So make sure you click the link down below, sign up for the live training, and I'll see you there. And also, I have a free university where there's 20+ course videos showing you everything about the business as well. There's a link down below in the description to sign up for that free course. But I hope you guys are excited to see the growth, because I'm going to be filming, I'm going to be vlogging, I'm going to be doing day in the lives of me growing these companies. You're going to see me build out that whole other office. You're going to see me continue to scale out this office and grow. So with that being said, guys, stick around for the journey. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit the like button, and if you're not already subscribed to the channel, hit the red button and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.